Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall the Blender or how you can upgrade the Blender or install the new Blender in your Windows PC. So to uninstall the Blender, it is a very easy process. You just have to press the Windows key and look for the Blender. Just type here Blender and just click on uninstall and it will take you to the apps, installed apps, and in the search apps you have to again type here Blender and you have to click on these three dots and you have to click on uninstall. Now it is preparing to remove the Blender. You have to click on yes. It will take few seconds to complete this process. As you can see, the Blender is gone. If I search for Blender, it is uninstalled properly and the icon for the Blender from here is also removed. So we have successfully uninstalled the Blender. And to download or install the Blender, you simply have to go to the Chrome and you have to go into the blender.org and you have to go into the download and you can download the Blender for Windows from here. Just click on this, it will automatically start the download. As you can see here, the Blender is downloading. I am going to cancel it and now I am going to show you the quickest and the easiest way that will automatically download and install the Blender in your Windows PC. So you have to press the Windows key, go into the Microsoft Store because the Blender is also available in the Microsoft Store. Just type here Blender and you have to go here Blender app. Just click on it and you can download the Blender from here. You just have to click on here download. Now it is downloading the Blender. It will take few minutes and after that it will automatically install the Blender in your Windows PC. As you can see that it is downloaded and now we have to click on launch, and as you can see that the Blender is launched. It is automatically also installed in your PC. And here is the configuration screen where you can configure the basic settings of your Blender. For example, you can select the right language, you can also select the shortcut for the Blender, and you can choose the select with. You can either choose the left click of the mouse or the right click, and you can use the space bar button for the play, and the theme is the black. You have to just click on save new settings. After that you can create a new project by choosing any of these new files. If you want to learn how to use the Blender, you can also check the manual and the tutorials here. And right now I'm going to load the project that I have created. You just have to click on open a Blender file and you have to look for your project. I have downloaded one project and it's here, this one. If I double click on it, as you can see this project here, the man in the Blender. So this is it for today. I hope you have liked this tutorial. So if you are new here, you can subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the updates of the new uploads. And in order to join my community and to learn more stuff or to share your problems and to get the solution of your problems, you can also join my Discord group through Patreon. So see you next time. Bye bye.